Ready? Start. Subsequently, on investigation, it was found that the injured Gaurav Rishi fell from the terrace of 6th floor to 4th floor of the hotel, that is Hyatt Regency. Investigation further reveals that the injured has joined two resident guests of the hotel who were American citizens by name Miss Rebecca and Miss Margarita. It is alleged that all of three were having food and wine in club which was on the 6th floor, and they were frequently going out on terrace for smoking. During the course of investigation, statements and supplementary statements of Miss Rebecca and Miss Margarita were recorded, who appeared to have stated that on 16th October 2013, Gaurav Rishi (injured) came to hotel for a social visit to meet them, and all of them were sitting in the executive lounge at the 6th floor of the hotel. There is a terrace adjacent to the lounge to which hotel permitted its guests for smoking. It is the case of the prosecution that terrace was dark and there was no light on the terrace, and hotel staff did not stop them from going there. Precisely, it is the allegation that there was a lapse on the part of the hotel management in taking safety measures for the guests, and they have allowed the guests to terrace area which was not safe. Referring to a copy of the RTI reply received from the Office of Deputy Health Officer, South Delhi Municipal Corporation regarding Hyatt Regency, it is alleged that no health trade license was granted to the hotel for the terrace area adjoining 6th floor. Charge sheet further reveals that, licensing branch, Delhi Police, Delhi has issued license which was renewed up to 31st March 2015 in the name of P.R. Subramaniam, who is also one of the accused in the case, authorizing him to keep a place of public entertainment known as Hyatt Regency. Referring to the conditions of license for 4-star and above category issued under Regulation 19 of the Regulations for Keeping Places of Public Entertainment in Delhi 1980, it is the case of the prosecution that the Hyatt Hotel has not adhered to the conditions of license. Further alleging criminal negligence and illegal omission on part of the hotel management made by the following allegations. The operative portion of the charge sheet dated 16th March 2015 reads as under: Messrs. Asian Hotels (North) through its management director Mr. Shiv Jatia. It is a company which looks after the Hyatt Regency Hotel. Over.